Well, howdy and good morning. This is Tom, Zort Road Disney. We are here at Animal Kingdom. Kind of doing something different. I've been doing a lot of evenings lately, so it's early, really early. I left my house at like 5. It's early. I haven't had coffee. I'm not doing coffee. I'm walking my way over to see how park days goes versus early morning and late evening. Kind of curious, but we'll see. So I just got a flight of passage and there's new merch. So let's go look at the new merch. Don't know where the new merch is. I know there's a new pass holder shirt. Thank you. Too bad you can't buy the bags. It's just theming. Looks like we got a lot of toys of. You took the glasses with you. I never looked over here, but you have a lot of like toy figures, and that screams aliens to me. Am I wrong? Not bad price. $24.99. It's like you get a lot for that action figure. Doesn't help me though with the pass holder shirt that supposedly there is. So I have to figure out where that is. I know there's like 3 new items. I'm not sure where they are in here. That's gonna be annoying if it keeps beeping. The bottle's cool. Don't know if that's new. That's a very different looking shirt. Oh, this says it's the pass holder exclusive shirt, but I think it's the other one. Yeah. I think it's over here. This looks like it's the one that's, it says pass holder on it. And you get the shaman on the back of it. So they have my size. Cool. I'm getting me a pass holder shirt while I'm here. Don't know how long they're gonna have them. Not sure where the pen is. The pen looked cool. It had a nice little wood case to it. I'm glad they have more of the Banshees back. So I'm glad about that. They have more colors back. I think last time they only had the blue and the pink. So it's nice that they have the orange back. They also have an orange and oh, hello, please don't. I have not seen this color scheme before. So I think they have some new color schemes. The controller is a little bit different than, so you have a little bit more control than the Monkey Lizard, but you have no speaker. So that's a little sad. I already have enough things on my shoulder though. I don't know. Maybe at one point I'll get a Banshee, but not right now. We got some binoculars here, I guess, and like a little PDA thing for the kids. Still don't know where the pen is. With roaring action. Oh, they also, okay, so before they only had the blue version of this little guy sitting on your shoulder, and now they have the purple one. So they had a color change. I'm still very curious where this pen is. It looked cool. Oh, okay, interesting also. It looks like the same thing they did. Are these? Oh, it's not moisture wicking, okay. Ooh, pretty.
What type of nails do you want?
This is the little like hatching Banshee. It grows and goes on your wrist. Oh, she has it. So you can see it acting. So what does it do?
These are interactive banshees, so you can like rub its back or move your finger on its back, and they'll interact with each other. So if you get multiple,
How much are they? Like $50 a piece?
they're $39.99.
Oh, okay. So $10 less. So in between the regular Banshee and the little plushy magnetic one.
Yeah.
So that's different.
They're quite fun though.
I'm still waiting for you guys to do that, like the Turok Maktal one. I want one of them.
Yeah.
We only get the Banshees. You don't get to have the cool, like, weird shark head looking one. Oh, they're upset about that.
The new movies. Who knows?
I'm assuming we're getting a lot of aquatic stuff with that.
Yeah. I would imagine.
Oh, thank you.
Of course. Have a good day.
I still have not found the pen, but it's a cool water bottle. Oh, wait, I found the pen. All right, well, the water bottle is cool. It says Sivako, rise to the challenge. It's metal. So that's kind of cool. I do also like this all over pattern shirt, a little different. But here's the new pen. Actually, they have a couple of new shirts. So I'm actually, the pen's kind of nice. But this Sivako red shirt, I'm sorry. This shirt also looks cool. I don't know if I want to get this as the pass holder one, but I will say I like the color scheme. And it's got Turok Maktal on it, so I may have to get it. Well, so far my early morning has just been Pandora. I did get on Flight of Passage, which I'll put in somewhere. think I need to grab a drink. It's hot. And my phone needs a charge. So I'm gonna go into Satuli Canteen and pick up a drink and a snack maybe. It's 10:17, still early, but I need some food. I'm having a little snack. One of my go-tos here at Satuli Canteen, a cheeseburger pod. Those are amazing, delicious. I know it's not really the best thing to have at like 10. It's 10:30. Brunch time. Wish I had like a bacon, egg, and cheese one. Feel kind of dumb, so I went into the line for Avatar Flight Pass at 105 minutes. It's now 85 minutes. I waited 85 minutes, so I don't feel dumb. But it seems weird that it was posted so high. So I'm wondering if now the 85-minute wait is now like 65. You know? At least they brought back the root chips. Before they were doing sun chips, now they have back the parsnip, sweet potato, fancy chips. But it was a long day. I think we'll be here until it closes. So, working my way through slowly. Then you break. Like everything's like 90-minute waits right now. So, I'm not sure what I'm gonna go do next. But I'm gonna go look at some animals. And let my phone charge. It's at like 40% now. But I'm at 50 in my snack. It's more appealing than it looks, by the way. So snack finished, now on my way over. I think the dinosaur, I haven't done it in a long time. It's a 40-minute wait. So we're gonna beeline across the park. No good optimization right now, but wait times are wait times. So it's 40 minutes for dinosaur and 40 minutes for Everest. So I can get on that side of the park. Hi.
Did you bring it just to videotape our friend Kevin?
Yeah.
I like your friend on your shoulder.
Thank you. To me, or was Kevin acting a little bit like a diva? I'm just thinking. What do you think? A little bit? Yay or nay? Well, we're almost over into Dino Land. So, good thing is, the wait only went up 5 minutes on my walk over. I hope that it's inflated, but who knows? It's been a while since I've done this ride. Hopefully the line's more in the air conditioning today, but 45 ain't that bad. I'm honestly predicting by 2 o'clock wait times to go down. I think most people for Animal Kingdom go in early and get out, but who knows? Kind of wish there was a raptor scene on the ride.
I remember we were here last time we did it.
The statues look better than some of the things on the attraction. I'm just saying. So, I'm kind of curious if anyone actually remembers the movies this ride is based off of. I don't think anyone saw it. It's Dinosaur. It's a CG animated film with a cephalopod or whatever it's called. Whatever. I'm going to tell you right now, I have never seen this movie, ever. I do remember the Little Dinosaur, Big Little Dinosaur, way back when. I would like to write about that. I won't be surprised if they change it into that new movie with the little boy, like the cave boy. Again, Pixar recently, Walt Disney, I don't know. But I'm still waiting.
To the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs.
Back to the Future.
How? That's proprietary. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world where you will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tool that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
let's talk about you and how you can help me make history today with the time rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in, use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms aside the vehicle at all times.
Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates. We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Hey, it's me again. Remember, only you guys are going on this special mission, so don't tell anyone.
I really wish this was the Indiana Jones one. That might have been loud. Sorry. But I do really wish it was the Indiana Jones one. Just saying.
And second row, pull up on the yellow strap on your seatbelt. Thank you. And first row, pull up on the yellow strap on your seatbelt. Thank you. Make sure everything's inside that pouch in front of you and hold on to anything on top of your head.
Let's keep going. You're tilting. That's okay though.
Okay, who else?
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identified.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow. And identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact back in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now! Keep going, keep going!
Console maintenance.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver! Left! Right! Left! Right! That was close! Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would. I guess you made it back with you. I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
Okay, that ride you used to be able to see a lot more of the dinosaurs. I don't know what happened with that, but I don't know. So yeah, I feel like there used to be a lot more lit dinosaurs in that. Everything seemed very dark, except for certain ones like the Tyrannosaurus. They got the ultraviolet light going for it. Used to be I picked up a friend along the way, and now we're here at the aviation show thing, majigger. It's shaded, but I'm still glistening like a roast pork. So we're gonna wait for this thing to start.
I don't know. I thought you did that.
No, I didn't do that.
Is the hawk coming?
Yeah, like any.
Because chickens and hawks are like not friends. The circle of life, we don't want to show you what that actually looks like. So I'm going to get these girls home safe and I'll be right back, okay?
Yeah.
Ladies!
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and meet Mason's and Harris Hawk. From that window right there, making a nice long flight out to the back. Perfect. Now Harris Hawks, they're found in the desert southwest United States. Places like Texas, Arizona, New Mexico. Wonderful place to find a bird. Just like this one, yeah. Now Harris Hawks, they are unique. They're one of the few birds of prey that will hunt in family groups. 2 or 3 of these birds, they'll team up together, hunt prey they normally couldn't on their own.
Alright, so this has been a random weird video day. Dinosaurs, birds, and bao buns. But we're here at Tusker House, and it's going to be quick. I'm going to put in some stuff as I'm eating and some characters. Mickey's always nice to see, especially when he's getting ready to go hunt big game, I guess. We have Donald coming up, not angry for once. Are you having a good day? You are? Oh, thank you, thank you. Why was Donald acting like Daisy? Is he confused? I'm just going to say I'm going to link to my other review of this because it's the same food. So I'm going to say bye. It's Tom Zort, Road to these things. Don't be afraid to be the fool. I had a cocktail earlier that was pretty looking. Bye. And my phone's almost dead anyway. Par for the course.